Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check Pinterest password, and here's how it is done. If you are trying to find your Pinterest password on your iPhone, Android, or computer, you won't be able to retrieve it directly from the Pinterest app or website. However, there are alternative methods you can use. First, on your phone, go to your settings and scroll down to find passwords. Tap on it to view all your saved passwords. Search for Pinterest, and you will see the username and password listed. You can then copy it and use it to log in elsewhere. If you primarily use Google Chrome on Android, you can open Chrome, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner, and select Password Manager. Search for Pinterest there to find and copy your password, allowing you to log in without needing to reset it. And that is everything you need to know about how to check Pinterest password. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.